This place is breathtakingly beautiful, and who would believe we were just 10 hours train journey away from Delhi. Hi guys, we are all set for a new journey, and this time we are on our way to Khajuraho. So I am in Delhi and Vedubrata is in Gurgaon. So we'll be meeting at the railway station. We have our train at around 8 in the evening, and we are reaching Khajuraho tomorrow. Well, it was one crazy ride to the railway station. It was raining cats and dogs all of a sudden, and I was late, but Vedubrata was on time. But then I've reached before him, and I've just boarded the train, and I'm waiting for Vedubrata. Not a big fan of train journeys, by the way. I really hate train journeys, but this one is much better.
Sandeep's mother has packed parathas for our journey, so I'm surviving on that hope.
Good morning from Khajuraho. Did you see the kind of welcome we got? ढोल नगाड़े हमारे लिए खजुराहो में. Well, jokes apart, वो किसी मिनिस्टर जी के लिए था. Some minister has come here, but
At least we got to share the train with her.
yeah. We reached Khajuraho at 7 in the morning. और वेदर अभी तो बहुत प्लेजेंट है बिकॉज सारी रात बारिश होती रही. Our host from Tendu Leaves Jungle Resort, so he is here to pick us.
Yeah, he's already
Yeah, so we are just going to find him. Jungle Resort. It is done in a very local style. So it's not only plain Indian, it is very local style. So we see these Gond paintings. Gond is a tribe of Madhya Pradesh, so it's their art form. So there's this stone sculpture which perhaps is reminiscent of the Khajuraho temples 20 kilometers away from here. This resort is close to, is basically at the periphery of Pana Tiger Reserve Forest. So that explains all these animals. And with these mud walls and the thatched roof, the overall vibe is very cool, very down to earth, literally. Souvenir shop, and it's a lot of studio pottery. So this is basically a lot of ceramic, and we are here to cover the ceramic workshop. This is our home for the next couple of days. This is their luxury villa, which has a very early flavored decor to it. A lot of mirrors, a lot of sunlight. This place is amidst nature, so they've used natural light ambiently. The whole place has this very rustic yet subtle and classy decor style. That apart, Tendu Leaf Resort is high on afforestation, so they have procured saplings from all over India and have apparently planted more than 2 lakh plants in this resort. We are now going towards the open terrace. Oh, this overlooks the river, the Karnavati or the Ken River. So Tendu Leaf Resort is at the bank of the Ken River, and it would be a great place, I guess, to sit and chill in the evenings. What is remarkable is that none of these rooms or even these fancy villas have a television, but then in hindsight we realize that there's so much to do at this resort that one really doesn't need a television. Thank you.
अभी हम लोग ने अपने रूम में चेक इन कर लिया और रूम टूर तो आपने देख लिया होगा. इट्स सो ब्रेथ टेकिंगली ब्यूटीफुल. इट इज़ सो आउट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. ये जगह बहुत ज़्यादा खूबसूरत है एंड इट इज़ सो आर टाइप ऑफ प्लेस. बहुत थके हुए हैं तो वी आर गोइंग टू स्लीप फॉर अ वाइल, और उससे पहले चाय तो बनती है.
We are just back from a few trips abroad, and trust me, there's no place like home. There's just no place like home. I mean, we have so much to offer to the world, but then before that to ourselves, that I mean, there's no end to things that you can do in India overnight. Train journeys, reaching resorts, 20 minutes drive from the city to the jungles. I mean, what more can I say?
तो अभी हम लोग अपना ब्रेकफास्ट करने जा रहे हैं. रास्ते में ही नदी दिख गया. मतलब अपने हमारे रूम से रेस्टोरेंट तक हमें वाटर बॉडी दिखा, नदी दिखा, और ये तो मतलब यू नो इट्स लाइक इन मिडल ऑफ अ जंगल. दे हैव सच अ ब्यूटीफुल प्रॉपर्टी.
Look at these sculptures.
यस.
Oh wow.
So the whole resort is full of such beautiful sculptures, quirky, contemporary art everywhere.
So this property is a completely eco-friendly resort. It's a completely green resort, and everything is reused, recycled. The wood, steel, everything has been recycled here, and no plastic. And we have the solar panels. It's completely running on solar power. Recently, we got this certification from the Toff Tigers.
Okay.
So it's a world-known thing, you know. So to get that certification, they generally take about a year, before once the property starts to run.
Okay.
But I think ours was the only first property that they did it in just 6 months.
Okay.
Fantastic.
So we just, met with all the basic requirements,
Wow.
whatever they had. So yeah. So that
Well begun is half done.
yeah.